Good morning. Welcome to Yoga for Back. I am Ravi Venkatesh. Today, let's see another type of stretching. This is for your torso. For your torso. Extend your right leg. Cross your left leg. If you extend your right leg, you have to take your left hand behind. Okay? Not too far, not too away from the body. Closer to the body, so that your back is straight. Raise your hand and keep your back straight, and then try to touch your knee. If you are not able to touch your knee, you can hold here. This is straight, keep it straight. You can hold here, turn to your left, start counting normal breathing. This is very good for your torso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that, 30 seconds, normal breathing. Come back. That's it. So this is another type of stretch for your torso. Okay. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.